What's up, guys? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? It's hump day. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hey, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on how to earn online, other affiliate programs, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right. All right, we're back today on Wonderful Wednesday because I want to show you my progress, what's going on, which I have shown you guys. Like commissions have come in, that type of thing. But I want to show you, one of the tools that I'm using. And now that I've gotten my funnel set up, we got leads coming in, etc. All right, but before we get into that, let's go over the FTC disclaimer. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, make sure you visit income.thehba.net. All right, because we cannot make you any promises, any guarantees of what you can make. All right, you must do the work, guys. Put the work in. It takes skill and commitment, okay, to make it happen. And it's only on your efforts will you receive commissions, right? You have to get into the training, follow the steps, follow the training, be committed to it, put out the marketing, excuse me a second, put the marketing out, right? Do the work, basically, okay? Because no income claims we can make. Now, we've got that out the way, let's get into it. So, when I first got started, right? When I first got started with the program, I joined it back in 2020, right? I told you guys that. I was only in it about 7 months, but in that 7 months, I did earn commissions. I never set up a funnel at all, okay? I had the HBA funnel builder, the $25 product. So came back in now, and I'm all in now. I have all 4 products, but initially, when I first got started, I joined the program. I had a lot going on. I didn't have time to even set up a funnel, but that didn't stop me from taking action. As soon as I joined, I got my affiliate links. I went into the program. I followed the training here in the affiliate section, right here. I went here, followed this training on how to earn as fast as possible, right, with the least effort, because I knew I didn't have time to sit down and go through the funnels and do all that stuff, right? But this training right here, the Fast Start training, showed me how I could do that and start getting some traction with just promoting my links that they gave me. And that's here under my business and my links. So I followed that training and I got things going, right? And so, yes, I was able to make sales, my first sale, just following that, okay? Now, I've got my funnel set up, and I just want to show you guys that we've got leads coming in, okay? Now, let's talk about this. I learned this from, I forgot what I was watching, and Paul mentioned it, but check it out. Even if you pick one of the funnels that's already in here, done for you, right? And you don't set up your autoresponder through Aweber or GetResponse or whoever, HBA still collects that lead for you. So I had leads coming in to the funnel. It just wasn't connected to my autoresponder, but the leads are in there and you can export them out of HBA system and go ahead and put them into whatever autoresponder you have. All right. So I have those leads, but now I've also got my funnel all the way set up, and so leads are coming in. So anyway, just wanted to show you the Funnel Builder Academy. This is your marketing system, right? Where you got the capture pages, the lead pages, the web pages, etc. They have a whole academy to show you right here. You want to watch this video first. It's only $25 a month, okay? And every time you share or refer someone to the HBA Funnel Builder, you make $20, okay, every month, okay, as long as they keep their subscription. So this comes with training right here. See, it says start here, begin your funnel. And you want to follow along, okay? Follow along here. See, it says set up, configure your funnel building environment, training. Then they have live coaching. And of course, they've got the done for you funnels. And that's what I end up doing here. Is choosing one of those funnels, okay? And just linked it into my I'm starting with the all-in-one page, okay? So just follow along here, guys, all right? And so when you click setup, configure your funnel building environment, here are the steps. You want to buy your domain, your business email, plug in your autoresponder, etc. So he walks you through all that. So I finally have done that, and just want to show you that it's working, okay? The funnel, and it doesn't have to be anything fancy. You know, a whole bunch of hoopla, a whole bunch of money flying out the sky, Lamborghinis on the screen, all that. You don't need all that. Just simple, plain funnel, okay? Just to get things moving along, right? Now, like I said, they have funnels already in here. You can edit and tweak them a little bit, and then just link in your affiliate link, okay, to whatever page you're going to have people go to. Once they opt in, what page are they going to? Me personally, my first one, I'm having them go to the all-in-one page. I'll show you that page. I'm having them go over here. Let me get that one. So we go over here. Let me show you the link. I'm having them opt in, and they see this page right here, all-in-one grab. So let me show you a preview of what it looks like. This page right here really explains everything. Plus it has testimonies at the bottom all the way down here. Keep going, just read through this page. It's a lot of information, but it's detailed, okay? And you want to know, you want to get the details, all right? So come all the way down and keep coming. And see, there are some testimonies on here as well. People can see that. And they can see the guarantee, you know, all-in-one. You get 3 days to go through the entire all-in-one business and bonuses and everything you've seen with the guarantee, okay? So everything is on this page. So this is the one that I'm sending folks to when they opt in, okay? My first one. But I got another one I'm going to be doing here shortly for the $10 miracle. But for now, this is what we got. So they'll come here. So anyway, we've got it all set up. And I just wanted you guys to see that it can be just a plain basic funnel. And you can start getting leads. Just send people there. All right. So let me show you some of my progress. All right. So check it out. All right. So if you look here, you can see leads are coming in. Okay. Right here. Just covering this other stuff up. Right here, see how leads are coming in? And I got my Aweber set up and everything. All right. So this funnel works. Just a simple funnel. Okay. Look, something just like this, right? I've been playing around like this. This all-in-one digital business is the fastest, easiest way to grow an amazing income from home. Boom. Name, email. Heck yes, I want to see it. See proof this is working. Because on this page that I just showed you, hold up, come back and do a video on that one. Down here, they talk about it, and then you see testimonials, right? So people are saying what it's done for them, results, all right? So this is what I'm sending folks to, all right? And I'm just getting the ball really rolling because, like I said, I just set this funnel up, all right? And I was still able to make sales without a funnel. So that's what I'm saying to you guys. So when you first get started, don't basically hold back and think, oh, I've got to go through all this affiliate training. I got to do all these things. And then a month goes by, you've purchased a product and you haven't done anything with it. You don't want to do that, right? So you can go straight into action by clicking affiliate, that tab, and then come over here and follow this video right here. what is this, 33-minute video, and you can get into action. All right, start promoting. They tell you what to do. Then you can come over here and get your funnel set up, guys. All right, so I just want you to see that a simple funnel is all you need. And they've got tons of them over here. Let me show you. Hang on. All right, so here we are. Here's all these funnels. Template Club. Amy has created a bunch of funnels. Lead captures. Thank you. Terms and privacy pages. About us. Link pages. Like Linktree, right? I know you've heard of Linktree. Instead of getting Linktree, guys, you can get this. All right, come in here. Here's the templates already ready to go, and you can have multiple business opportunities on that page, just like Linktree. All right, book giveaway, webinar events. If you want to do webinars, if you're that person, maybe you're already doing that. Sales product pages, if you have products that you want to sell. Order checkout pages, businesses, like if you want to promote to businesses, lawn care businesses, real estate agents, etc. Templates are already here. Courses, membership courses. Maybe you have a membership course that you want to sell or you think about selling. Here's templates for you. I mean, they're all in here. Okay, so just pick one of these templates and go. Okay, just wanted you to see that. So I went in there and I just edited one of the pages. I got a couple that I'm going to be working on, but that's it. And then just put it out here. Let's see how it converts. You can keep track of that. Testing. That's what this business is about as well. You know, one way don't always work all the time, or it may work a while and then things change and you have to switch it up. You got to learn how to pivot in this industry. Okay? Don't get in your head, oh, I got to stick with it this way or do something one way. It's more than one way, as they used to say, to skin a cat, right? So don't worry about that. We can pivot. We can change things, okay? Move around. So don't hold back and just thinking you've got to wait, okay? But just follow this, okay? So anyway, leads are coming in. We're making progress. We've shown you sales and all that stuff too. So we're on the right path here, all right? So that's it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on this wonderful Wednesday. I hope all is going well for you. Check out this program. That funnel builder is only $25. Let's go over here. Here's a funnel. Now, this is the funnel builder landing page, right? This is one of the pages that they give us that's coded to us that we can promote, right? It says right here, quickly build amazing pages and funnels, generate high-quality leads, and turn those leads into customers and raving fans. All right? So you could email this out to your list. Or maybe you've got some colleagues right now, and maybe you don't really have a list, but some colleagues that you have worked with, or they've signed up with you in other business opportunities, right? You want to share this with them and say, hey, check out this funnel builder. What are you using? What company are you using as your marketing funnel and your autoresponder, right? Share this with you. They do a little video here. Let the system do the selling and telling. Don't try to explain it. Just say, hey, let me shoot you an email. But just follow that affiliate page though, okay? If you want to send that out, you're ready to get started, right? This is what you want to do over here. Oh, my system is stuck. Go to the affiliate tab like I was just showing you. You want to come over here and follow that step, the fast start, all right? So anyway, just wanted you to see the page. So this is the page. And it says only $25 HBA funnel builder special offer. It goes into all the details about it. Okay, and why you would want to select it for only 82 cents a day. All right. Just read over this, but you've got it in your dashboard. You'll have it when you sign up. And look, it says right here, here's just a sample of what you can create easily and build. So this page has a lot of great details on it, and you have your own link, guys. So bonus, what was bonus number one? Bonus number one is the Funnel Builders Academy. You get all this training, right? Step-by-step training, demos, and more on how to use the funnel builder, which is what I showed you in the back office, right? So go through those steps. Mike is going to walk you through it. And then you get another bonus. You get live interactive help and training. Funnel Builders Academy, live help and training where you can ask questions about your projects, get your pages and funnels analyzed by our in-house expert. So they'll take a look at it for you. You can build it and say, hey, well, I got a question about it. Oh, I do have technical problems. I'm not sure what's happening here. They'll help you with that too. So it's live interactive training. All right. And you get all this for $25. Third bonus, create unlimited pages. That's the other thing. Some marketing systems limit you depending on how much you spend a month. Like there's one, it's $17 a month. You can only have maybe 500 contacts and X amount of pages. And then maybe it goes up to $47 a month to get more pages and things like that. Over here with Home Business Academy, it's unlimited pages. And they have a template library, which I just showed you, where there's some done-for-you funnels already in there. You can just edit those. All right? And you can earn 80% commission. That's the other bonus. Every time you sell a funnel builder, okay, every time you sell that product, you earn 80% commission. It's $25 a month. And when someone purchases it from you, you earn $20, guys. Okay? And remember, the difference here is 20 per month for each customer, right? So every customer, and if they stay the next month and the next month and the next month, they're paying you. You're getting paid commissions from the company, $20 for each one of those folks. All right? Refer to, and you're in profit, right? The first one, you break even. You sell the second one, you're in profit. And the company pays out every Thursday, so you don't have to worry about setting up payment processors or anything like that. You're gonna get an email. You're gonna set up your e-wallet, and they're gonna pay you every Thursday. Okay, so that's what's happening over here, and not to mention the community. All right, I've had my own experience, my first experience, and I was able to get help from the community and one of the owners. Okay, so they're very active here. The owners of the company. All right, so you're in good hands, and if you want to partner with me, I'd love to assist you and answer any of your questions as well. My number is in the description of the video. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. The next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.